नमस्ते सप्तकान्तं गौरङ्गे राधेन्द्रावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रियावती विष्णुभक्ति कवि देवी सत्यवती कृपामि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते शरणारविन्दे नमस्ते शरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं स्मरामि राधा नेत्रां स्मरामि राधा मधुरगीताशं स्मरामि राधां करुणाभराद्रुं ततो मान्नस्ति गतिर्गता श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे भागवतम सर्वदा मेरे कृपाद पद्मों नित्य लीला प्रवृत्तम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत शिला भगवान गोस्वामी महाराज नित्य लीला प्रवृत्तम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत एवं नित्य लीला स्वामी महाराज एवं ब्रह्मचित्रान सीता माधव महाराज नरसिंह महाराज समस्त वैष्णव विष्णु की चरण हम लोग रात पर प्रदत्त ब्रह्मादि देवताओं की प्रणम्य सर्व अवतारी भजन संसंग के आविर्भाव तिथि तथा जन्मलीला की कथा हम लोग वैष्णव के मुखारविंद से श्रवण कर रहे हैं। जिसमें विशेष करके कृष्ण के आविर्भाव अथवा प्रकट एवं जन्मलीला के बारे में हम लोग भी श्रवण किया। बहुत ही समस्त कथा एवं शास्त्र की गुण तात्पर्य हम लोग वैष्णव के मुखारविंद से
कोई व्यक्ति के कथा तो एक भी बोलते हैं, कोई व्यक्ति के कथा तुमको मीठा लगता है और कोई व्यक्ति वही कथा बोलते हैं अच्छा नहीं लगता है। जैसे हमारे बंगला में क्या बोलते हैं, काक करो करे नहीं संपधरण गोभी गालू करे नहीं धन वितरण काके करो विष लगे कानी कोकिले सुमधुर गान मन बिताय नहीं हैं। कौआ जो है किसी को धन नहीं देते हैं, किंतु देखो अभी यहाँ पर कौआ आ जाए ना सब भगाओ हो गई तो कौआ क्या करते हैं खा 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 है, और एक कान में वो दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है। कौआ जो है कौआ के कान क्या है कि कौआ के आँख एक आँख में दिखाई पड़ता है, एक आँख में दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है। आप देखना कौआ जो है दो आँख एक साथ में दिखना, हमको दो आँख में दिखाई कौआ जो है कभी चीज आँख में देखता है, कभी चीज आँख में देखता है। कौआ जब पेड़ के डाल पर बैठे रहे, आप देखना वो कभी ऐसे करते हैं, कभी ऐसे करते हैं।
और एक श्रीमद् भागवत में
सुंदर श्रीमद् भागवतम Srila Sukdev Goswami Maharaj, he is describing to Parikshit Maharaj, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bolo, Srila Gurudev ki Jai. So now we are describing that shlokas a little bit. So this is a very beautiful shlok of this Jayati Janana Vaso.
कितना पैसा दी देगा, एक पैसा नहीं दी, किंतु देखो कोई दुनिया पर आ जाए और
So that Krishna is Jai Yukta, who is staying in everybody's hearts like a Paramatma, Antaryami. So Bhagavan stays in everybody's hearts in the form of Paramatma. He knows everything inside of your heart. So there is no place that where Bhagavan is not staying, residing. In which form he is the Paramatma. So Bhagavan is staying in the heart of the Manushya in the form of Paramatma. That's why it is saying Jayati. Jayati. So Jayati means Jai Ho. So in all whole here it is saying, so Bhagavan in all the jeeves he is staying, residing in the form of Paramatma, who knows everything, or all whole jeeves. What is the meaning of Narayan? Narayan means all the jeev who's taking the shelter of his feet. Ayan means shelter. So in the same way, Bhagwan in everybody's hearts, he is staying there. Not only human beings, in any kinds of living entities, creatures, in everybody's hearts, he is staying. So just like Hiranyakashipu said, Prahlad, you always saying Vishnu, 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 where is he? So Prahlad Maharaj very fearlessly said, Maharaj, he is everywhere. He is everywhere. In every part, he is staying. Internally and externally, he is everywhere. So whose eyes is Paramatic, he can see, and who has the curtains of Maya, they cannot see Bhagwan. In the same way, Prahlad Maharaj said, Bhagwan Vishnu is everywhere. In this way, here it is also saying, Jayati Janani Vaso.
में प्रकाश करती है।
फिर वज्रचित्त
स्वयं भगवान
वज्र के बाद
परमात्मा के रूप में.
समस्त जीव के हृदय में परमात्मा
So Bhagwan in all everybody's hearts stays in the form of Paramatma,
अथवा समस्त जीव जिनके आश्रय में ही
and every living entity is who's alive just because of his shelter.
उनके प्रति कभी
जनेषु गोप जातवादि मध्येषु एवं निवासितस्य।
जैसे हमारे त्रिविक्रम मंत्र सुना
तो समस्त गोप एवं जादव के साथ
So all kinds of Gop and Yadav,
भगवान के तीन धाम का
Bhagwan have three dham.
एक है द्वारका धाम,
One is Dwarka, Mathura,
मथुरा धाम,
and third is Vrindavan.
तो इसी प्रकार
So in this way, Swam Bhagwan, being one, he is one, but still he is staying in the three dham.
द्वारकापुरी के कार्य
Dwarkapuri is said complete, Mathura is said more complete, and Vrindavan is said most complete.
और अपने अपने भगवान परिवारों के साथ
So Bhagwan is staying there with their parikar,
आदि के साथ रहते
with their associates. He is staying there.
स्वयं कृष्ण
In the Dwarkapuri, Bhagwan himself,
बुद्धियों के साथ
he is staying with his wives and Mahishis and their children, and Baldev Prabhu are there.
प्रभु स्वतंत्र आत्मजप पिता वैकुंठ से श्रेष्ठ क्या है द्वारकापुरी का है।
So from the background, Dwarkapuri is greater,
जब तक खेलती प्रभु जहाँ पर स्वयं भगवान
where Bhagwan Krishna,
क्या नाम
अपनी पुत्रियों के साथ
he is
इन्हीं को जो है 1608 स्त्रियों के साथ
तो हमारी
so in the Dwarka Bhagwan staying with their wives, 16,108 wives with their children, Baldev Prabhu, he is staying with them and he is doing many kinds of laughing, joking with them.
सांसारिक जीवन
So he is staying the grust life here, the material life, like just like a common person in this world. After getting married, he are staying with his children and all. In the same way, Bhagwan he is staying in the Dwarkapuri with his wives.
और लड़कियों के साथ लड़कियों के साथ यह तो भी अपने बड़े भाई बलदेव प्रभु के साथ ही
Even Baldev Prabhu is also with him.
1608 और एक एक के गर्भ में
10 पुत्र
10
पुत्र और एक कन्या. So every wife, he has 16,108 wives, and every wife has 10 sons and one daughter,
ये सब भी है।
and all granddaughter and grandsons also there.
तो इसी तरह
So in this way, here it is also saying that in the Dwarkapuri, Bhagwan is staying here with their whole family. So he is doing laughing and joking with them. Sometimes any wives, she got man, so he pacified the man, just like Satyabhama, she got man. So how Krishna pacified her man, just like for one Parijat flower, Satyabhama, he went to Swarga and he defeated Indra from there, and he took all the trees of Parijat flower and he gave, and he put that tree in the courtyard of Satyabhama, just because of one Parijat flower. Narishi came to take Narishi came there and brought one Parijat, and he said that, Prabhu, whom would you like to give this Parijat flower? So whom do you think that he is topmost? So Bhagwan Krishna, what he did, he has given that Parijat flower to Rukmani's hand, and Satyabhama, she was feeling so much. So Satyabhama got man, and when pacified the man of Satyabhama, Bhagwan went to heaven and took that tree from heaven and put in the courtyard of Satyabhama. Once, what happened in the Dwarkapuri? So Krishna, after Prasadam, he went to the house of Rukmani and he was chewing the betel nuts, and Rukmani was fanning to him. At that time, Krishna very humbly said, Rukmani, You are so beautiful. You are the princess.
देवों के द्वारा आकर्षित हो करके
Huh?
आज तक भी वो शिशुपाल
Even Shishupal is waiting for today. For Shishupal is still waiting for you for getting married with you. Shishupal ही तो था. Shishupal.
अच्छा बताओ वो भी प्रतीक्षा कर
So he is also waiting for you.
तुम चाहे
If you want,
तो तुम्हारे साथ विवाह कर
so I can arrange your marriage with him. So in this way, there are many kinds of kathas are there.
ये हो गया
So Rukmani, so Krishna will leave me.
ऐसे करके उनके हाथ से पंखा नीचे
So that's why the fan fall down on the ground and Rukmani became unconscious. And Krishna just put his hand on her head
पानी दिया
and give some water on her mouth and eyes.
हाथ परिहास करके
So laughing jokingly, Krishna said, "How can I leave you, Rukmani? How you can think like this?
जान के अवसर में विवाह किया
I have married with you according to the scriptures, according to the with all traditions, culture. So how can I leave you? I cannot give you the divorce.
परिहास कर रहा
So I was just laughing, joking with you. So I have done this kinds of laughing, joking with many kinds of with the gopis many times.
कृष्ण
So in the same way, Krishna in the Dwarkapuri,
विषयी
he was staying like a very like a Vishay person, like this material person.
और इसके पश्चात जो है
And after that, there are many leelas in Mathura of Krishna, which is called the Purnata Dham, where Bhagwan himself he appeared and took birth, whatever you say.
उनके गर्भ से स्वयं भगवान
So Bhagwan appeared from his womb, where Devasati and everything was happening, and we have also seen the Vatsalya Bhav there.
इसे कहते हैं वैकुंठ
That's why it is said, Jakuntu Janate Vara.
आपको भ्रमर गीत पाठ करने के लिए भागवत रखा है, खोल के भ्रमर गीत बोले नहीं।
और इसके भी मथुरा में से श्रेष्ठ कौन सा हो गया वृंदावन
So
वृंदावन ही कृष्ण को ऐसी मधुर
Vrindavan is greater than all the dhams,
के सब
especially Sakhya, Vatsalya,
और
Madhurya.
माधुर्य तीनों रसों की कोई
All the rest you can find there in it is fullest form, and he relish himself and relishes all the devotees. It's beautiful. There are many kinds of beautiful Gokul Leela. He was Ajanma, still he took the birth from the womb of Mother Yashoda. So beautiful kathas, beautiful, everything is beautiful there. So we have heard from the mouth of Krishna that his nadi chedan, his umbilical cut, and we have heard the beautiful katha. For last few days we are hearing the Janm katha, the born of Krishna Janm. We have heard the Dronadhara's katha, Prishni Sattvas katha.
ये समस्त लीला
So how Krishna was doing this kinds of pastime.
मुद्रा अपेक्षा जो है गोकुल की लीला की महत्व
जब सुनेंगे जो है गलने
इस गोकुल में कृष्ण आदमी बचपन से कितने सुंदर सुंदर लीला आदि
And Krishna did so many kinds of beautiful pastimes in the Gokul, just like a material child.
मनुष्य के भांति
He was staying there just like a human being there.
सब कुछ जानते हुए
He knew everything, but still he was not aware about anything. This is the Leela of Bhagwan. So Bhagwan has two qualities simultaneously. One is Sarvagita and one is Mugdata.
केवल जिसे कहते हैं सर्वोपता और मुक्तता
सामान्य ताप में अग्नि के ताप में कुछ
और इसके आगे
And-
बढ़ते हुए कथा भी हम लोग श्रवण किया
So we have heard that how he relishes the Basararas and how he played with the Sakhas.
तीनों प्रकार की लीला आदि वो चार
Many kinds of Leela. He did the cow herding Leelas. He was playing with the friends, Sakhas, and he was taking the remnants of his friends and giving remnants to them. So we have heard all these kinds of shlokas katha very nicely. We have heard the Shuddras Sakhyaras katha.
और शुद्ध वात्सल्य के लिए
We have heard the Shuddha Vatsalya katha also.
माता माँ जसोदा
Mother Yashoda,
किस प्रकार शासन आदि करते हैं।
how she was ruling upon the Krishna. Krishna saying himself,
माँ जसोदा मुझे
Mother Yashoda,
बालक मान करके
thinking that I am an ordinary child, she punished me. Namamishwaram Sachidanand.
जसोदा वियोलो फलाब्धावमानम् रामृष्टमातम् नेत्रं जुगमविजन्तं करम्भोजयुग्मेन सातङ्कनेत्रं मूर्धा शतं श्रीरेखाकण्ठ पितावैव दामो
So how beautiful is Damodar Ashtakam is. Namamishwaram.
कितने सुंदर सुंदर मधुर से मधुर लीला बाल लीला
So Bhagavan has played a beautiful Bal Leelas there also.
कवर में कोई कपड़े नहीं केवल कर्दनी
He doesn't have any kinds of cloth on his body, just have the kardani on his vest. He is not putting on any kinds of anything, but it's still there is a beautiful form of Govinda. Nidante Mukhamboj.
कितने सुंदर उसकी
How beautiful his face is, just like a lotus. Everything is describing Namamishwaram Sachidanand Rupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Brajmanam, who is wandering in the Gokul by the fear of Mother Yashoda, and how he was running here and there. This is incredible form he has. And Mother Yashoda, she took one step and she's chasing him. And Mother Yashoda, she was fasting, chasing Kanhaiya, the Krishna, more than she's running fast than him, and caught him. And she took one stick and ruling upon him. And Gopal with his mother, he was so much afraid with the fear of her mother, and how he was, the tears are coming from his eyes, and the both eyes, kajal is everywhere. Jal. So when that black kajal is mixed up with the tears of his eyes, and it's looking like that Ganga and Yamuna is flowing in the same way, because Ganga water is white and Ganga water is black, little blue or blackish. So it is all described there very nicely. Lasat Kundalam Gokule Brajmanam. So we have heard all these katha, Vatsalras katha. That's why it is saying Jayati Jananivaso Jayavaki, because I have told you that he has taken the word from the womb of Yashoda. So there are many kinds of arguments here, that has he taken the word from the womb of Mother Yashoda. Actually, this is the subject of the Panditas. Actually, Krishna has taken the word from the womb of Devaki or Yashoda. Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. So what is the conclusion of all these things? So that's why our Acharya Pad, they are saying Vasudev's wife is Devaki, and here
नंदन महाराज की पत्नी
Nanda Maharaj wife is Nashoda. Yashoda wife, Yashoda name is also Devki.
दे नामनी नंद भार्या देवकी
So Devki, the name of Devki. Yashoda also known as Devki.
ठीक है वहाँ पर अंश रूप में अंश के कारागार में अंश के रूप में प्रकट हुई
So in the Karagar, in the prison of Kans, he appeared just like a part of Krishna. And but in the womb of Yashoda, he appeared the fullest Krishna, is his full form.
और फिर वैष्णव को देख प्रकट
But Vaishnava was saying there are Prakat and Aprakat Leela, Abhirbhav Leela,
और जन्म लीला
and Janma Leela is also describing.
देवकी जन्म बाद जदुगुरु परिसर से ज्योतिष और जन्म और स्वयं भगवान
And Bhagwan Krishna himself,
कितने सुंदर लीला आदि की
how beautiful pastime he has done.
जदुगुरु जादू की जो है
विचार भी दिखाई दे वृंदावन बिहारी लाल
जदुगुरु तो आश्चर्य जदुगुरु परिसर जदुगुरु गोवा ब्रजस्था शिष्या पुरस्कार परिषद सभासी रूप जस्व
जय जय
ये पर भी कहते हैं
Here it is also saying,
देखो
look,
जदुगुरु करने पर
महाराज जी खान
यहाँ पर उन्होंने जदुकुल में भी आए थे
he is taking the birth of Yadukul.
अध्ययन कर रहे थे
For last few days back we are hearing that Bhagwan, he appeared in the Yadukul.
ये कैसे जदुकुल में कैसे आए
How he has came in the Yadukul. We also have
कौन किया
heard this in the morning, and for few days back we are hearing about all these things.
जरूर भगवान में सर्व संपूर्ण रूप से समर्पित आत्मा थे
Yadu, he was totally surrendered into the Bhagwan feeds. That's why Bhagwan taking the birth in his dynasty.
ब्रजस्थली कहा जाता है
And still
इसके ये पर ये देते हैं सिद्धांत को देते हैं
there is also one principle, Hare Krishna.
जो देववीर के दो पत्नियां
Devki has
एक है क्षत्रिय वंश की और एक है
किसकी?
वैश्य कुल की
one is Kshatriya, one is Vaishya. Kshatriya, from Kshatriya Vansh, Kshatriya dynasty there is Sursen.
वसुदेव महाराज
And in Sursen, Vasudev Maharaj,
के पुत्र
and Vasudev Maharaj's sons became Krishna, because he is called Vasudev Krishna.
आज उधर देववीर के वैश्य जो पुत्री जो थी
And there is a Vaishya dynasty, Prajanya Maharaj,
पर्जन्य की जो है
and Prajanya's,
5 पुत्र है
he has 5 sons.
और उससे 5 पुत्र से जो
Nanda Maharaj.
मध्यम पुत्र जो है
So the middle son was Nanda. Nanda and Nanda's sons, Nanda Nandan Kishore, Nanda Nandan
ये समझते वर्णन के
Krishna. So all described we have nicely there
यहाँ पर
earlier.
इसलिए गोपा ब्रजस्थ एक स्वरूप में क्षत्रिय भी होते हैं और एक स्वरूप में उन्होंने
Krishna is one form, he is Kshatriya, and Krishna is another form, he is Vaishya.
इसलिए यहाँ पर मुझे और स्वयं भगवान ने ये भी
And what Bhagwan did himself,
देखो क्रीड़ा आदि करते करते
he was playing there,
लोग उन्होंने क्या कर दिया
and he has killed so many demons.
ब्रज की कृष्ण की विशेष एक वैशिष्ट
So this is the specialties of Braj Krishna.
बचपन से लेकर के उन्हें जब तक ब्रज में रहे
From the childhood, when he was staying in the
उन्होंने कोई अस्त्र के धारण
Braj, he didn't take any kinds of weapon. He didn't use any kinds of weapon. Without the weapons,
कितने बड़े बड़े
he has killed so many kinds of big demons.
पहले कृष्ण ने किसको मारा
Putana. First he has killed the Putana.
उतना जो है ये छल कपट
Putana is the form of cheating propensity.
अपनी स्वरूप पे छुपा करके
So she was she was hiding herself and presenting.
अपना स्वरूप मित्र स्वरूप पता हो जाता है
Yes. So Putana was very ugly. She was a demon, but still she was presenting herself as a beautiful lady before Krishna. Putana, she was killing the childs, little babies.
उनकी जो है रक्त के पान
and she was drinking the milks of drinking the blood of them.
वृंदावन में गोकुल में कैसे आई?
But she was very ugly, but when she came in the Gokul, she took a beautiful form.
किंतु भगवान
But Bhagwan Krishna catch her.
टीकाकार कहते हैं
The commentators are saying you can give cheating, you can cheat to everyone, but you cannot cheat with Bhagwan.
इसलिए भगवान ने
That's why Bhagwan, what he did,
सब कपट अपवित्रता की थी
so she is the form of cheating and impiousness.
गोकुल में मां जसता की
And Bhagwan has given the gati to her, killed her and sent her to Gokul. In the Gokul. So how beautiful is described there. She got the designation of the maid servant of Mother Yashoda.
इतनी महिमा दिखा रहे
So this is the glory of Putna.
उतना की महिमा
Glory.
ये समस्त लीला भी दिखाया
All kinds of leelas are also showed. And Bhagwan
वहीं पर द्वारका
in the Dwarika and Mathura,
क्षत्रिय भाव के द्वारा
by his Kshatriya form,
इतने बड़े-बड़े असुरों को भी पछाड़ा
he has killed so many kinds of demons.
यहाँ पर जो क्या बोले गोकुल अथवा वृंदावन में जो अपने वस्त्र धारण नहीं किया
So he didn't take any kinds of weapon in the Gokul and
वहाँ
Vrindavan.
से लेकर के सरकार
From Putna,
और वो क्या बोले आकाश में जो है
Tanavarth, Bakasur, Agasur, Shaktasur.
जितने भी असुर पद किया
So many kinds of demons he has killed in the Braj.
वस्त्र धारण कर
So he didn't take any kinds of weapon. And never used any kinds of weapon. He was just playing and defeated everybody and killed everybody. How beautiful Leelas was there.
कैसे प्रेम ज्ञान लीला दिखा
And he performed many kinds of beautiful pastimes with the Sakhas
फिर गोपियों के साथ
and then with the Gopis.
कैसे सुंदर लीला
How he performed beautiful Leelas. The Ras Leelas also described there. The topmost Leelas, Ras Leelas, they also there. That's why it is like Anugraha Bhaktanam Manushya Ashitam. So Bhagwan did the mercy and he descended from the he descended from the Golok Vrindavan Dham. So that Leela is not also available in the Vaikunt, Mathura and Dwarika. Which kind of Leela is not available? The Ras Leela. Bhagwan has manifested many kinds of beautiful Vrindavan Leelas. And after that Krishna, he went with Akrur on his chariot and came to Mathura. And in Mathura, gradually he took the weapons. Not only after killing the Kans, for killing the Kans he didn't use any kinds of weapons. For killing Charn and Mustik he didn't use any kinds of astra weapons. By his fist he killed everybody. By hand he has just killed everybody. And after that Krishna, he has defeated so many kinds of warriors of Jarasandh. Then in Dwarika, Krishna, he got married with 16,108 Mahishas wives. Then in one kalp, Krishna got the marriage in Rukmani in Mathura. And also it's saying Bhagwan, he is all capable. He was capable to kill Jarasandh because Bhagwan can do everything. But still, what he did by Bhim, Bhim killed the Jarasandh. So he gave the opportunity to kill the Jarasandh to Bhim. So Bhagwan is so powerful. That's why he was giving this kinds of opportunity to his devotees also.
अपॉर्चुनिटी जो है,
So he is giving this kinds of opportunity to Bhim.
इसी प्रकार अनेक बच्चे इसी तरह और स्वयं करते हैं क्या, अधर्म के उन्होंने नाश किया, धर्म के स्थापन किया।
And he established the dharma there.
फिर कहते हैं स्थिर विजयनगरम सुस्मित श्री मुखेन ब्रजपुरवंशान भक्ति काम हो गया, पुनः घूम करके जिला होते जा रहे हैं। पर ये कृष्ण कैसे सुंदर अपने मंद मुस्कान आदि के द्वारा,
So how Krishna with his beautiful smile, he has attracted everybody's heart towards him. This is a special quality of Krishna. So Brajendandan Shyam Sundar, he has 64 kinds of qualities.
चलने वाले और स्थिर
So the things who are moving or who are stable,
चल नहीं पाते, चल सकते। दोनों की भगवान ने कृष्ण ने देखी,
both of them, what Bhagavan did,
उनके चित्त को कैसे जोड़ा।
how he has attracted the hearts of them. So the things which are moving, that are stable, and the things which are stable, that started moving. Like two qualities Krishna, one he has beautiful form and the second he is flute. So in the 64 qualities, these 4 qualities were prominent. Rupa Madhurya, Leela Madhurya, Prema Madhurya and Venu Madhurya. And especially Rupa Madhurya is so beautiful. So seeing this beautiful form, everybody was shocked, amazed. So this is the speciality of Vrindavan Krishna. And the second, Venu Madhurya, his flute. That's why Digakar is saying here that Bhagavan Krishna, by his beautiful smile, he can steal all kinds of sorrows of these material world's people. Krishna, when Krishna disappeared from the Ras, when gopis were so much feeling pain, when all the gopis assembled at the bank of Yamuna, when gopis were doing the kirtan, so Krishna couldn't stop himself. So when Krishna appeared there, he had a beautiful form. Seeing that beautiful form, all the gopis were, so what all the gopis were suffering, so they were so much happy that time. What we want in this world, sometimes what we want from one person on this material world, what we want, we just want the smile, little bit smile on his face only. Whole day working, whole day when we work in the offices, when your child with so much pleasure come to you saying Papa, 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 Father, Father, so you will get so much smile. If your wife, she smile beautifully and she comes to you, so when you forget all kinds of your tiredness, nobody wants in this world, nobody wants that. So whatever 2 kinds of roti we are eating, so whatever Bhagwan has given you, only you can only take that. Your previous birth karma, you are getting all these things in this world. But in this world, there are so much suffering. How this all suffering can be removed? By just a little smile, nothing else. What you want? Nothing else, just a smile from the people. So this is called in the transcendental world Bhagwan, when he appeared in the Ras Leela. So Bhagwan's smile was so beautiful, which can attract to Kamdev. Nothing else was there. Only with little smile. If you see someone, if he smile little bit, so your heart will be pleased. And if you went to someone
3-4 दिन के पड़ा हुआ बेगुन होता है ना, और उसमें कीड़ा लग जाता है, ऐसे मतलब
So he will stay like this. So you will not be pleased to see his face.
बाजार में बेगुन खरीदते हैं,
So you have buy the wagon, brinjal.
3-4 दिन के सूखा जो बेगुन ऐसे बिल्कुल
So if you buy the brinjal from the market, which is older for 4-5 days, and there are 2-3 insect in that, so some people has this kinds of face always. They never smile.
कौन सा
Don't know what kind of
गाय ना बछड़ा
what kinds of cows and calves is stolen from him, and seeing someone, your heart will be so much pleased.
आपके सारे
Your all kinds of sorrow will go away.
संसार की बात,
So this is the I'm giving you example of this word.
इसमें मैं इंग्लिश में दो शब्द बताता हूं।
That's why
एक लाभ होता है और एक होता है लाभ क्या, किसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है, ये वो भी कितना
there are 4 kinds of letter in love. Love, love.
लाभ क्या चाहते हैं,
What love wants?
मतलब उसका
Only smile, nothing
कितना हो
else.
गया बता, माइनस कितना हो, 5 एक अधिक होते हैं, फिर लाभ चाहते हैं और फिर
So everybody love also wants smile. You have to understand this.
लाभ प्रेम नहीं चाहते, प्रेम और कुछ नहीं चाहते हैं,
Love doesn't want anything.
और मतलब उसका
Love only wants the smile on your faces, nothing else.
और सही बात इसलिए कहते हैं सुष्मित श्री मुखे, ये
That's what it is saying.
सुंदरी है,
Bhagwan has beautiful form.
क्या क्या हो सकता है,
No, nothing. Bhagwan has beautiful smile in his form.
किंतु सही भगवान की ऐसे मंगल मुस्कान अधिक करते, देखो
When Bhagwan is smiling in this way, so all the angerness and everything removed from the heart of the gopis when they see the smiling face of Krishna.
स्वयं कृष्ण इसी जो है मंगल मुस्कान के द्वारा
So why this beautiful little smile,
इनको कैसे और किया,
how he has increases the love of gopis. By the Venu, by the flute, how he has attracted everybody's heart.
उसी के द्वारा
And by the flutes, by the sounds of the flutes, how Krishna
संसार में काम वेदांत से निकल
attracted to the gopis.
ये संसार दुखमय है,
This sansar, this world is full of sorrow, full of suffering. There's only one way. If we hear the sounds of the Krishna's flute, and what the sounds of the gopis do, Krishna's do, it can make us from,
अथवा हजारों 33 साल
it can gives us so much pleasure.
दृष्टि में हम देखते हैं
But if we see according to the material world,
कि गोविंद के ब्रह्म ध्वनि में नाची,
Govind has a magic in his sounds, in his flutes. In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is saying, hearing the Krishna's flute sound, every gopi, they were removing all their kinds of sorrows, sufferings. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, he was describing beautiful explanation on this.
बोले देखो
Look,
रात में प्रवेश करने के लिए मैं उसके पहले 5 विद्यालोक में
so entering into the ras, you have to take the lesson from the gopis, and by that 5 points of lesson you have to take from the gopis. Then you only can enter into the Ras Leela.
जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं
Just like we used to read.
वहाँ पर भी आपको ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में
There is a training center. You have to learn five kinds of lessons.
नहीं करे,
I'm not saying, Rupa Goswami Pad is saying, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
कितना सुंदर है, समय हो गया,
The time is over now, Maharaj will say.
वास्तव में सत्य है,
This is true actually.
दूसरों की कैसे स्तुति होती है, मान करने के बाद एक दूसरे के प्रति किस प्रकार स्तुति आदि करके उनकी प्रेम को बढ़ाना जाता है।
How gopis were increasing
कैसे जो है
the man of the gopis. How one Sakhi is talking to another Sakhi.
सभी नाम तो स्तुति प्रक्रिया स्तुति वाला जो मान कर लेते और उनकी स्तुति माने उनकी मैसेंजर
Duti Stuti Prakriya, they are messenger. You have understand the messenger?
होकर के जाना पड़ता है और एक दूसरे की गुणगान करना पड़ता है।
They have to elaborate themselves.
ये समझो स्तुति होकर ये समझो सीखा गया था।
So in that Gopis schools there are 5 kinds of lesson teaching in this way.
जो है उनकी बातों में क्या करना पड़ता है, बधी रहता।
So the Gurujan, so they are not listening the voice of Gurujan. These all kinds of lesson, 5 kinds of lesson. When the time will come, we will let you know. In this way, Krishna,
ब्रजपुर परित्राण, ब्रज के रहने वाली वसंत रोगी की प्रेम की किस प्रकार।
so how Krishna increases the love of the gopis. Krishna himself is just like a form of calm. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Hare Krishna. Maharaj ji, good mic.